Hey, what's up DeFi traders? You're on Task Trekker, and today I'm about to show you how to score a seriously juicy airdrop with Velvet, one of the fastest growing DeFi platforms out there. If you're looking for that next big edge in Web3, you'll want to listen up. So, what is Velvet? Velvet is a DeFAI operating system that works across Base, Solana, BNB chains, Sonic, BitLayer, and Ethereum. They just hit 100,000 users, and for good reason. Their AI-enabled trading terminal lets me find, research, and trade any token I want, all on-chain. Plus, their portfolio management suite means I can actually create tokenized strategies, no more juggling a dozen tabs. Backing? Absolutely stacked. We're talking YZ Labs, Selene Capital, Cointelegraph Ventures, the kind of backing that tells me they're in it to win. Here's the kicker I get to choose: trade solo, or let Velvet's AI take the wheel. With Virtual's AI agents, I can analyze and trade right from one dashboard. Every swap earns me Virtual's points and pVLV, so I'm racking up double rewards every time I make a move. Now check this. Velvet Unicorn AI is officially bullish on Virgin, that meme coin everyone's buzzing about. Sure, it's got some volatility, but the Unicorn's prediction engine has nailed a 72.5% accuracy rate across over 670 hourly calls. That's the kind of edge most hedge funds dream of. Ready to claim your airdrop? Here's what I do. Step 1. Head to dap.velvet.capital. Step 2. Connect my wallet. Step 3. Open the trade terminal and go to Sonic. DeFi pools. Step 4. Pick any pool under Euler. Step 5. Deposit any token I want. Step 6. Just sit back and earn yield plus $S rewards on autopilot. That's it. I'm qualified for the Velvet airdrop, and stacking up trading rewards as I go. Trade more, rack up Virtual's points and pVLV, and keep building my edge. To wrap it up, Velvet is the DeFAI operating system for AI trading, live research, and hands-off portfolio management across your favorite chains. With a massive user base and top-tier investors, there's no better time to get in. Use the Unicorn AI, trade Virtual's agents, claim that airdrop, and let your DeFi game level up. If you dug this guide, smash that like button, subscribe to Task Trekker, and tap the bell so you never miss out on the next DeFi alpha drop. Catch you next time. Happy trekking.